Hello students, here I am discussing how to identify the RS configuration of a pseudo chiral carbon. So actually what is the pseudo chiral carbon? So in this case you can see here this hydrogen and this methyl, here CH double bond CH3, here CH double bond CH3. That means here these two are structurally same. But here in this case, hydrogen same side, cis configuration. Here hydrogen opposite side, area trans configuration. These two are structurally same. So generally here it's not a chiral carbon. But here it is also chiral carbon. It is called as a pseudo chiral carbon because here structurally same but configurationally these two groups are different. Here the group which has a cis configuration, the group it has a trans configuration actually. So here how to give the RS configuration for this chiral carbon, because here every chiral carbon is um, getting the configuration like R and S. So here for this pseudo chiral carbon also we should give the RS configuration. How to give the RS configuration for this pseudo chiral carbon? So in this case this double bond group getting a high priority over methyl. So in this case cis and trans, which one gets a high priority? Here cis group configuration having cis, that group getting a high priority. So next here trans, and then here methyl third priority, this least priority group on the vertical line hydrogen. So here 1 2 3 the anti-clockwise direction, so its configuration is represented by the smaller s. Okay, so not capital S. Here in this case we can use the small letter s, okay, for the anti-clockwise. For the clockwise direction we can use small r. Okay, that is represented by the smaller. Now here in this case you can see here the first of all here bromine chlorine methyl, bromine chlorine methyl, so structurally same, so it is not actually chiral carbon. So in this case here we should check the configuration for this one. So here in this case first priority bromine, here chlorine, second priority here carbon further attached to the chlorine, so but here carbon further attached to the hydrogen, so this one getting a third priority. So here in this case 1 2 3, so its configuration is R. Okay, so here first priority, here second priority, third priority. So in this case 1 2 3, its configuration is yes. Okay, here in this case this carbon is a pseudo chiral carbon because structurally same but configurationally different in this case. So here how to give the configuration for this pseudo chiral carbon? So here chlorine getting a high priority, first priority, this one. So now here in this case R configuration group and S configuration group, in this case R configuration group getting a high priority, so here second priority, and this one third priority. So 1 2 3 anti-clockwise, it means its configuration is S actually. Okay, that's it. So here you can see in this case its configuration is R. Here in this case its configuration is also R because you have bromine first priority, second priority, third priority. So 1 2 3 clockwise direction R configuration. That means here this carbon has R configuration, this carbon has R configuration. So yeah, these two groups are structurally same and configuration also same. So it's not a pseudo chiral carbon. It's not a pseudo chiral carbon. Okay, thank you for watching.